Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a network card to your motherboard. First, gather your tools, your network card, a Phillips head screwdriver, and an anti-static wrist strap. Next, ensure your computer is completely powered down and unplugged from all power sources. Then, carefully remove the side panel of your computer case, typically secured by 2 or 3 thumb screws, to access the internal components. Now, identify an available PCI Express, or PCIe, slot on your motherboard. These slots vary in length. For instance, a PCIe X16 slot is quite long, whereas a PCIe X1 slot is significantly shorter. Most common network cards are designed to fit into the smaller PCIe X1 slots, so look for one of those that is currently empty. Next, remove the metal expansion slot cover from your computer case that aligns with your chosen PCIe slot. Carefully align the network card's gold contacts with the slot on the motherboard. Apply firm, even pressure on both ends of the card until it clicks securely into place. Finally, use a single screw to fasten the network card bracket to the computer case, ensuring it is stable. To complete the installation, close your computer case and reconnect all power and peripheral cables. Power on your computer and let the operating system load completely. You will then need to install the specific drivers for your new network card, usually found on the manufacturer's website. After driver installation, verify that your network connection is active and working correctly through your operating system's network settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.